ॐ वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात् दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। And repeat. अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
सारवत् विश्वतोमुखम्
सारवत् विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
ऐवुण्
ऐवुण्
ऋलृक्
ऋलृक्
एओङ्
एओङ्
ऐऔच्
ऐऔच्
हयवरट्
हयवरट्
लन्
लण्
यममणनं
यमगणम्
जमै
जभै
घटधश्
घटधश्
दश
जबगडधश्
खफछठथजटतौ
कफछठथतौ तपै
शशर
सशस्र
हल
हल
विसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
कुहु विसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
इति यशानां तालु
इचु यशानां तालु
मूर्धा
ऋटुलशानां मूर्धा
लुतुलसानां दन्ताः
ऋतुलसानां दन्ताः
उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
यमगणानां नासिका च
यमगणानां नासिका च
Edaitoko Kantatalu
ఏదైతో
కంఠతాలు
కంఠతాలు
Odautoko Kanta Oshtam
ఓదౌతోః కంఠ
కంఠౌష్టం
ఓష్టం
Vakarasya Danta Oshtam
వకారస్య దంతౌష్టం
Muliyasya Jikva Mulyam
జిహ్వామూల్యస్య
జిహ్వామూల్యం
జిహ్వామూల్యం
Nasikaswarasya
నాసికానుస్వారస్య
Ramorajam Nissana Vijayate Ramam Brahmisham Bhaje
రామోరాజమణి సహ
విజయతే
రామం
రమేశం
రమేశం భజే
Ramena Dikata Nishachana Chamoham Ramaya Tasmai Namaha
రామేణ
విహత నిశాచరో రామాయ
తస్మై నమః
Ramannasti Parayanam Parataram Ramasya Dasosmyaham
రామాన్నాస్తి పరాయణం
రామస్య దాసోస్మ్యహం
Rame Chittalaya Sada Bhavatu Me O Rama Mamuddhara
రామే చిత్తలయ సదా భవతు మే ఓ రామ మాముద్ధర
Last class I gave homework for the Akaranta Shabda. Akaranta, Strilinga, Shabda. We learnt Natvam, Natvam being taught. Padanta Nakara, then preceded immediately by Repa or Murdhanya Shakara Nakara. Even when intervened by that At, Kupu, then Nattam happens. In that context, I think I gave the Srilinga Shabda. Right?
Yes.
Did you try, all of you? Homework like this 4 or 5 Shabda, Srilinga Shabda I gave. Vruddha and other Shabdas. Okay. I hope you would have done. So I'm not going to check it. So only when you do homework, you will understand what I taught also. So Padanta Nakara becoming Nakara, Murdhanya Nakara. Padanta Dhantya Nakara becoming Murdhanya Nakara. And if it is Padanta Nakara, it will not happen. Example, in Rama Shabda, what you see in the screen, Ramam, Ramau, Raman, that is Padanta Nakara. There, Natvam doesn't happen. Because it is Padanta. Whereas Tritya Vibhakti Ekavachanam, Ramena, there Nakara is not at the end of the Padam. What is the letter at the end of the Padam? Ramena?
Akara.
Akara is there. So remember, it is not Nakara, Akara. Nakara plus A only, Na. So Nakara is preceded. It's preceding, penultimate letter. Preceding Akara. So it is not Padanta Nakara. And Repa is there, Rama, Ra. Not immediately they are intervened by A and Makara and Ekara is there. All these are permissible letters. Therefore, Natvam happens. We saw this. Similarly, Ramana, right? So where Repa, Shakara, Rikara is there, and Apadanta, Dantya Nakara is there. Apadanta, Dantya Nakara follows that. Or in other words, Apadanta, Dantya Nakara preceded by Repa, Shakara, Rikara. Then this Nattam happens. That is why you see Murdhanya Nakara. Why Murdhanya Nakara? This is the reason. Nattam. So, Rama Shabda. explained with Rama Shabda. Rama and Hari Shabda also same. You can see Hari Shabda. Ditya Vibhakti, Harim, Hari, Harin, Nakara, Dantya Nakara. It is not Nakara, therefore doesn't change. In Tritiya Vibhakti, Harina, here change happens. Similarly, Shashti Vibhakti Bhagavachan, Harina, there also it happens. You can note. Similarly, Guru, Gurun, Dvitiya Vibhakti Bhagavachanam, Gurum, Guru, Gurun. There it is. Padanta, Dantya, Nakara, there doesn't happen, no change happens. Whereas Tritiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam, Guruna, Nattam happens. Similarly, Shashti Vibhakti Bhagavachanam, Guruna, Repa is there, therefore change you can see. What about in Pala Shabda? Pala Shabda, Tritiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam, Palena, Nattam doesn't happen because there is no nimitta to cause Nattam. There is no cause to cause Nattam. Repa not there, Shakara not there, Dukara not there, therefore doesn't happen. Therefore, Dantya Nakara you see. Palena, Palana. You have to see this. Is it clear? All of you understand this?
Yes, Guruji.
That's why I gave homework to do this. So only when you do, you will understand. Okay, now moving further. All these shabdas which we saw, already you know it. So I assume you know it. In the last class, I introduced, I think, Marut Shabda, right? Marut Shabda we chanted in the last class.
Yes.
Marut. So up to now, whatever shabdas are gone, assume that you all know the shabdas by heart. It's important to know the shabdas. Now let us chant this Marut Shabda, and I will introduce some more shabdas also today. Pullingaha Marut Shabdaha.
तकारन्तः पुल्लिङ्गः मरुद्शब्दः
It's a very simplest shabda and important shabda also. Marut, Marutau, Marutaha.
मरुत् मरुतौ मरुतः
Marutam, Marutau, Marutaha.
Marutam, Marutau, Marutaha.
Maruta, Marudhyam, Marudbihi.
Maruta, Marudbhyah.
Marute, Marudhyam, Marudbhyaha.
मरुते मरुद्भ्यां
मरुत्यः
Marudbhyaha, not Marudhyaha. Where is Marudhyaha? Marudbhyaha. Bakara is there. Marud, Bakara, Bakara, Yakara.
Oh God.
Marutaha, Marudbhyam, Marudbhyaha.
मरुतः
Marudbhyam,
Marutaha, Marutoho, Marutam.
मरुतः
Marutoho,
मरुतां
Maruti, Marutoho, Marutsu.
मरुति मरुतोः मरुत्सु
He Marut, He Marutau, He Marutaha.
हे मरुत्
मरुतः
Then important shabda which is also need to be memorized. Important Asmad Shabda. Asmad meaning I. Dakarantaha Asmad Shabdaha Trishu Lingeshu Samana Rupaha.
दकारतः
अस्मत् शब्दः
त्रिषु
लिङ्गेषु समानरूपः.
What does it mean? Trishu Lingeshu Samana Rupaha.
In all three lingas,
In all
it's the
genders,
same
it's the
word.
same.
It's the same.
It doesn't change.
Whether when I say, if I say I or you say I, Napumsakalinga say I, it is I only. So doesn't change. Lingya should not changing with gender. I doesn't have really. I doesn't have gender, or I takes gender of the speaker. So therefore, in all the lingas, its form is same only. Agam is what Purusha?
Uttama Purusha.
Uttama Purusha. How many Uttama Purushas possible?
Only one.
Only one. It is
Three Vachanams.
yeah. Vachanam is I only is there. So Uttama Purusha. And Tvam is Madhyama Purusha. So anything other than Agam and Tvam is Pratama Purusha.
Pratama Purusha.
That is neither I nor you, somebody else. Pratama Purusha. Pratama Purusha is third person. Uttama Purusha is first person in English. Madhyama is second person. Now let us chant. Aham avam vayam.
Aham
Aham
avam vayam
Vayam
Mama avam nau asmanaha.
Mam
Asmanaha
Asmanaha
Maya avabhyam asmabhihi.
maya
Maya
abhyam
avavyam asmabhihi
Asmabhihi
Madhyam me avabhyam nau asmabhyam naha.
Mahyam me
avavyam
avavyam
asmabhyam naha
Naha
Mat avabhyam asmat.
mat
Mat
avavyam asmat
Asmat
Mama me avayoho nau asmakam naha.
Mama me
Avayoho nau asmakam naha
Mayi avayoho asmatu.
Mayi
Avayoho
Yoho
asmasu
In the Sahana Bhavatu, we have this. Now is that Sahana Bhavatu. Where is that now is that?
Sahanau bhunaktu.
Now is in Dvitiya as well as Chaturthi and Shashti, Guruji,
Yes.
and Dvivachanam.
In Sahana Bhavatu, what happened? Sahana Bhavatu, there it is now the word, it is now is that. Okay, we type here. Tell. And I'll type in Sanskritam. Do you see my typing there?
Yes, Prabhuji.
This is Sahana Bhavatu. Saha Navavatu, really speaking. Saha Navavatu. Saha, referring to Ishvara, Ishvara, Bhagavan. Let Bhagavan Navavatu. Here, now is that. Where is this now?
It is now plus avatu.
It is very good. Now plus Avatu. What sandhi is that?
Avayavas.
Ayadi sandhi.
Ayadi sandhi. H followed by H letter. So, how will become Av. Then Avatu. Avatu happens. So, this is now. Now is B2. Now is Pratama, sorry, Dvitiya Vibhakti, Vivachanam. B2. Both of us, we let Bhagavan protect both of us. That is the meaning. Sahana Bhavatu. It is
Guruji, what does ha mean? Saha plus ha, right?
Ha is an article indeed. It doesn't.
What is that? Sorry.
Saha, it's indeed for that's meaning. Okay. It's an article. Saha,
Thank you. Yeah.
indeed. So this is sa is sa. Really, it is sa. Visarga is there, but visarga has become elided. It's disappeared. But we don't see it. That is because of sandhi that we have to see. We have not seen that. So it is something written like this. So saha Ishvaraha. Now referring to avam now. Right? That is the both of us. The Ditya Vibhakti, Dvivachanam. That is what is here chanted now. Saha Ishvaraha. Now referring to Ditya Vibhakti, Dvivachanam. Avam. Saha Ishvaraha Avam Avatu. Let Bhagavan protect both of us. Who are those two people? Guru and the Shishya. Both of us. Both pray. Prarthana done by both the people. Therefore, now.
So what is Guruji? What is avatu mean then? Ava plus two, right?
Avatu is it's a lot lakara like lat lakara. Patati patataha visam. Similarly, avatu avatam avantu. It is avatu is lot. It is called imperative in English. It's a prarthana. It's a prarthana. It's a kriya padam. Okay, avatu is a kriya. Avatu is the kriya padam, which means may protect. That is the meaning. The prarthana.
Thank you, Guruji.
We have 6 tenses, 4 moods. So far we have been learning only one tense only present tense only we are learning. For learning other tense you should be prepared. Then only I can teach you. For Sandhi itself it took so much time. Then other lakaras and all it takes time. So just know avatu. Avatu is imperative. Lot lakara. Lot lakara that mood, that is used in the sense of prayer, that is prarthana or command or request, avatu. That is why translation we do that Sagana avatu as may the Lord protect both of us. Let the Lord protect both of us. That is avatu. Avati means protects. Sainikaha avati, soldier protects. Raja desham avati, the king protects the country. The Omkara is from the dhatu ahu only, avdhatu. Avati rakshati iti om pranavaha. That which protects. Om is Ishvara. It is there. This we saw in Kataupanishad. Om ityetat. Yamadharmaraja starts his Upadesha with the utterance of Om. Om iti etat. Avati rakshati iti Om. Okay. So avatu means rakshatu. Palayatu. May Ishvara palayatu protect both of us. Now avam. Avam referring to the Uttama Purusha Dvivachanam, both of us. Ditya Vibhakti, it is Uttama Purusha, it is Ditya Vibhakti Dvivachanam. That's a 2-2. Okay, this is Shabda need to be memorized. There is no choice. You have to keep repeating this Shabda. Every day at least once you read, slowly you will get committed this to memory. Aham avamayam, at least that much is required because for the exercise what we are going to do. Then the next one. Yushmad. Pratipadikam is Yushmad. Yushmad means you. Akarantaha Yushmad Shabdaha Trishalingeshu Samanarupaha.
Dakarantaha Yushmad
Shabdaha Trishu Lingeshu Samanarupaha.
Tvam Yuvam Yuyam.
Tvam Yuvam
Yuyam.
Tvam Tva Yuvam Vam Yushman Vaha.
त्वां त्वा युवां वां युष्मान्वः
त्वया युवाभ्यां युष्माभिः
त्वया
युवाभ्यां
युवाभ्यां
युष्माभिः
तुभ्यं ते युवाभ्यां वां युष्मभ्यं वः
तुभ्यं
तुभ्यं
ते
ते
युवाभ्यां वां
युवाभ्यां
युष्मभ्यं वः
त्वत् त्वत् युवाभ्यां युष्मत्
त्वत्
त्वत्
युवाभ्यां
युवाभ्यां
ते
युष्मत्
तव ते युवयोगो वां युष्माकं वः
तव ते
युवयोः वां
युष्माकं
युष्माकं वः
त्वयि युवयोगो युष्मासु
त्वयि
युवयोः
युवयोः
युष्मासु
So here, Tvam Yuvam Yuyam, that is important. That is Pratama Vibhakti is important for the exercise, what we are going to see. So, like the Ishmat Shabda, Asmat Shabda, here also, you will see two forms in Dvitiya, Chaturthi, and Shashti. For all the Vachanam, you will see two forms. Vam is there in three places. Vaha is there in three places. So, depending on the context, we have to take what Vibhakti, what Vachanam. Vachanam is Dvivachanam only. Vibhakti, depending on the context. And Chaturthi and Shashti, Te is there. Shashti also Te, Chaturthi also Te. In fact, Te is there in other places also. Where? Remember, where is Te?
Pronouns, Guruji.
Yeah, very good. Sagatau Te, Sa Te Taha, Tat Te Tani. So there also Te is there. So same word has got different meanings. Te is you. Tava nama kim we say. Tava nama kim or te nama kim. It is you. Tubhyam te. Tubhyam is to you. That is also te. So depending on the context, we have to take the meaning. So these two shabdas are here very important shabda. Okay, now let us get into simple exercise here. And this also, Kriya Padam also we saw. That also we will do. For the Kriya Padam, okay, you can chant now. Asti staha santi.
Asti staha santi.
Asti is, that is Prathama Purusha. Referring to that which is not you, not me, somebody else. Ramaha asti, Ma asti, Sa asti, Tat asti, Brahma asti. Right? The Madhyama Purusha, Asi staha stha.
Asi staha
Asi staha
अस्ति
Then that Mahavakya, Tat Tvam Asi. Asi, you are that Asi, Madhyama Purusha. That Asti, what was Asti has become Asi now. And Uttama Purusha, Asmi, Swaha, Swaha.
Asmi swaha swaha.
This is Dhatu is Asdhatu. Dhatu is Asdhatu. Its present tense is Asti Staha Santi. So this we need to know. Like Patati, Patataha, Patanti, you know. This also you need to know. Now for this exercise, we have to add that the Kriya Padam. It is not here, it has to be supplied. Without the Kriya Padam also, the meaning is same. The Kriya Padam, in fact, it is understood. Aham is there, Asmi is there. See, when you say Asmi, Aham is there. When you say Aham, Asmi is there. Because one will bring the other. Asmi means who can be there other than me. It is Asmi, Uttama Purusha. It is Ekavacham. Therefore, Aham. Asi, when you say Asi, it is Madhyama Purusha Ekavacham. Therefore, Tvam is there. Similarly, the Kriya Padam Asti or Bhavati, Even if it is not there, you have to supply. It is there. So no sentence without the Kriya Padam. That and the Kriya Padam, you see the meaning. As means to be. That being, the existence. Existence is always there. It cannot be destroyed. It cannot be destroyed. That is what we study in Vedanta. Nasato vidyate bhavaha. Bhavo vidyate sataha. Asti always asti. That astitvam cannot go. Always asti only. Asti or bhavati. So therefore we have to supply. If it is not there, it is to be understood. Okay. Now, this exercise we will read. Pratamastavakaha shashtaf pataha agam tvam. Simple exercise. Okay, we will start now. Padmaji, you can read. First line.
Yes. First line. Aham adhyapakah, tvam chatrah, aham vruddhah, tvam balah.
Understand the meaning. Aham adhyapakah.
Adhyapaka is
Teacher.
teacher. Tvam, you are student. Aham vruddha means I am old or old person. You, tvam balaga, you are a boy.
Yes. So the next person now. Agam adhyapakah asmi is understood.
Asmi. Yeah.
Tvam chatraha asi is
Asi. Yes.
agam vruddhaha asmi.
Asmi.
Tvam balaha asi.
Asi. Yes.
Now the exercise is not that much. The next person, Rajeshwariji, for you. Same sentence. Now, if it is in Ekavachanam, convert that into Dvivachanam and Bhagavachanam.
Aham adhyapakah, avam adhyapakau, vayam adhyapakaha.
Yeah, but you can say anyway. Okay.
Tvam chatraha, yuvam chatrau, yuyam chatraha.
Tvam chatraha asi. Yuvam chatrau staha.
Yuvam chatrau sthaha, yuyam chatra stha. Chatraha
Chatraha.
chatraha stha.
Okay, continue. The next one.
Aham vruddhaha asti. Aham vruddhaha asti.
Asti.
Avam
Me.
asmi. Aham vruddhaha asmi. Avam vruddhau swaha. Vayam vruddhaha smaha.
Okay, good.
Tvam balaha asti. Asi. Tvam balaha asi. Yuvam balau sthaha. Yuyam balaha stha.
Next person. Priyaji, read the next line.
Aham acharyah, tvam shishyah, aham rupah, tvam sevakah.
Supply the Kriya Padam.
Aham acharyah asmi, tvam shishyah asi, aham rupah asmi, tvam sevakah asi.
Okay. In other vachanam, Dvivachanam and Bhagavachanam.
In avam acharyah tvam
Avam Acharyah. Avam Acharyah.
Avam acharya vayam acharyah
Kriya Padam.
avam acharya acharya
It is not so difficult.
Swaha, no.
Yeah.
Swaha,
Swaha.
Swaha, Vayam, Acharyaha, Staha.
Not staha. Please practice. Okay. Smaha.
Smaha.
Asmi swaha smaha. Okay.
Smaha, sorry.
Okay. Fine. Next person. Girijaji. Fine.
Yes, Guruji. Aham kumbhakaraha asmi. Tvam swarnakaraha asi. Aham vaidyaha asmi. Tvam rugnaha asi.
Good. Other vachanam.
Avam kumbhakarau staha. Vayam kumbhakaraha santi. Oh, sorry. Avam
Not santi. Why?
No, not santi. That's why I'm coming back, Guruji. Aham kumbhakaraha asmi. Avam kumbhakarau swaha. Vayam kumbhakaraha smaha. Tvam swarnakaraha. Swarnakaraha asi. Yuvam swarnakarau stha. Yuyam kumbhakaraha stha. Aham vaidyaha asmi. Avam vaidyau.
Not avam. Avam.
Sorry. Avam vaidyau stha. Vayam.
No, not staha. Swaha.
Swaha, sorry. Swaha. Vayam vaidyaha smaha. Tvam rugnaha asi. Yuvam rugnau stha. Yuyam.
Yuvam rugnau staha.
Yuvam rugnau stha. Yuyam rugnaha stha.
Yes. I think we did before. I gave a table with all this Asmi Swaha. Remember one table with different Kriya Padam for your practice I gave long back. So in that it is there. Okay, next time, Manjulaji.
Guruji. Aham bhaktaha asmi. Avam bhaktau swaha. Vayam bhaktaha smaha. Tvam devaha asi. Tvam devaha asi. Yuvam devau staha. Yuyam devaha staha. Aham आरक्षकः अस्मि. आवाम् आरक्षकौ स्वः. वयम् आरक्षकाः स्मः. त्वं चोरः it is Guruji.
Choraha, both are okay. Yeah.
Okay, Guruji. त्वं चोरः असि. युवां चोरौ स्तः. यूयं चोराः स्तः.
Yes. Next person. Abhyasa 53. Jnanena patantu chitranu gunam nirpasthanani purayantu. Kausalyaji. Indeed. This is training and all. So it is training.
Aham adhyapika
Asmi.
अस्मि. आवाम अध्यापिके स्वः. वयम् अध्यापिकाः स्मः. त्वं छात्रा. युवां छात्रे. यूयं छात्राः युवां छात्रे स्वः.
Not swaha. Yuvam.
स्तः. यूयं छात्राः स्त.
Yes.
अहं वृद्धा अस्मि. आवां वृद्धे स्वः वयं वृद्धाः स्मः त्वं बाला असि युवां बाले स्तः यूयं बालाः स्त
Next person. Krishna Kumar ji.
अहं वैद्या अस्मि
Yes. Continue.
आवां वैद्यौ आवां स्वः
Vaidya is Trilinga. Therefore, it can't be Vaidya.
वैद्ये yeah. आवां वैद्ये स्वः वयं वैद्याः स्मः
Yes. Continue. Next one.
त्वं रुग्ण
Rugna.
त्वं रुग्ण असि त्वं रुग्ण असि युवां रुग्णे स्तः यूयं रुग्णाः स्त
Good.
अहम् अग्रजा अस्मि आवाम् अग्रजे स्वः वयम् अग्रजाः स्मः त्वम् अनुजा असि युवाम् अनुजे स्तः यूयम् अनुजाः स्त
Yes. Anuja is younger sister. Okay, next person. Next person is
Yes, Guruji. Aham Janani Asmi Ava Jananyau Swaha Vayam Jananyah Smaha Tvam Putri Asi Yuva Putrau
not Putrau. Putri is Srilinga, daughter.
Okay. Putyau Nadyau
Yes, Putriau.
Putyau Saha Yuyam Putryaha Sta
Yes, Putriyaha Sta.
Aham Stula Asmi Avam Stule Swaha Vayam Stulaha Smaha Tvam Aham Krisha Asmi
Not Agam, it is Tom. Tom Krisha.
Tvam Krisha Asi Yuvam Krishe Staha Yuyam Krishaha Sta
Person. Rajaji.
अहम स्वामिनी अस्मि आवाम स्वामिन्यौ स्वः वयं स्वामिन्यौ स्वामिन्यः स्मः त्वं सेविका असि युवां सेविके स्तः यूयं सेविकाः स्त
Yes. Continue.
Should I continue?
Yeah, next one. Yeah.
Yeah. अहम गायिका अस्मि आवां गायिके स्वः वयं गायिकाः स्मः त्वं नर्तकी असि युवां नर्तक्यौ स्तः
नर्तक्यौ
नर्तक्यौ यूयं नर्तक्यः स्तः.
Next text, please. Padmaji.
No. I can. Aham. You want me to finish? Aham asmi. Is that how I should say? I finished with the kriya. Aham asmi. Avam swaha. Vayam smaha.
Next line.
Is that the next line?
Next line. Yeah.
Aham. Avam. Because I just made it everything right.
It's okay. Next line.
So the next line, right? Okay, that's what I thought. Aham vaidyaha avam aham vaidyaha asmi avam vaidyau swaha aham avam vayam vaidyaha smaha.
Yes. Next. Okay. Next person.
And
Rajeshwari.
अहम अध्यापकः अस्मि आवाम अध्यापकौ स्वः वयम अध्यापकाः स्मः अहम अध्यापिका अस्मि आवाम अध्यापिके स्वः वयम अध्यापिकाः स्मः.
Priyaji.
अहं बालिका अस्मि आवां बालिके स्वः वयं बालिकाः स्मः.
The next person. So you have to fill it with the Kriya Padam is not the exercise here, but anyway, Kriya Padam we are learning. So it will be useful. We supply the Kriya Padam. It's a Kriya Padam if we do.
Aham swarnakarah.
Asmi.
Avam swarnakarau. Vayam swarnakaraha.
You say this with the Kriya Padam.
Okay, sorry. Aham swarnakarah asmi. Avam swarnakarau swaha. Vayam swarnakaraha smaha.
Yeah.
Chalakah asmi. Avam chalakau swaha. Vayam chalakaha smaha.
I hope you all know the meaning. Swarnakaraha, goldsmith, Chalaka, driver.
Driver, yeah.
Yeah.
Rajaka is okay.
Washerman. Okay, read that.
Thank you. Aham rajakah asmi.
Not Rajakaha. It is Rajakaha.
Rajaka, sorry. Aham rajakah asmi.
Rajakaha.
Rajakaha, sorry. Yeah. Rajakaha. Aham rajakah asmi. Avam rajakau swaha. Vayam rajakaha smaha.
Next person. Girijaji.
Aham उद्यानपालकः अस्मि आवाम उद्यानपालकौ स्वः वयम उद्यानपालकाः स्मः.
What is the meaning of Udyanapalaka?
Gardener.
Gardener, please.
Aham शौचिकः अस्मि वयं शौचिकौ स्वः sorry not
आवाम
सौचिकौ स्वः वयं सौचिकाः स्मः. Sauchika means tailor. न्यायाधीश अहं न्यायाधीशः अस्मि. आवां न्यायाधीशौ स्वः वयं न्यायाधीशाः स्मः.
Nyayadisha means
Judge.
Next.
Judge of a court.
Next person, Manjula ji.
अहं चिकित्सकः अस्मि. आवां चिकित्सकौ स्वः वयं चिकित्सकाः स्मः. अहं पत्रवाहकः अस्मि. आवां पत्रवाहकौ स्वः वयं पत्रवाहकाः स्मः. अहं गोपालकः अस्मि. आवां गोपालकौ स्मः. वयं गोपालकाः स्मः.
You know the meaning. Chikitsaka,
Yeah.
Patravakaka, Gopalaka. It means
Yeah. Gopalaka is cow herd.
shepherd.
Yeah, Guruji.
Patravakaka is
Patravahaka, postman.
Chikitsaka.
Chikitsaka is it doctor, Guruji?
Yes. Next person now, Kausalya ji. Number 10.
अहम् अस्थिपकः अस्मि. आवाम् अस्थिपकौ स्वः वयं हस्तिपकाः स्मः. अहं सैनिकः अस्मि. आवां सैनिकौ स्वः वयं सैनिकाः स्मः. अहं लेखिका अस्मि. आवां लेखिके स्वः वयं लेखिकाः स्मः.
Yeah. Next person. You know the meaning of it. Astipaka, Sainika, Lekhika.
What's अस्थिपकः, Guruji?
Astipaka is elephant, the caretaker, rider. Mahut, Astipaka. Sainika is soldier. Lekhika, female. All are Sri Lanka. Okay, sorry. Astipaka is not Sri Lanka. Lekhika is Sri Lanka. Sainika is Pullinga. Sainika is soldier. Sainikaha, Sainikau, Sainikaha. Lekhika, Lekhike. From number 12 onwards, it is Sri Lanka. Please note that. Lekhika is Sri Lanka, female writer. Sainikaha, Sainikau, Sainikaha. Not Sainika, Sainike, Sainikaha. There is no word Sainika. Sainiki is there. If it is a female soldier, Sainiki, but not Sainika. Okay. Next person, Krishna Kumar, number 13.
अहम् उपचारिका अस्मि. आवाम् उपचारिके स्वः वयम् उपचारिकाः स्मः.
Upacharika is,
sorry,
what does it mean? Upacharika?
उपचारिका helper or helping person.
Yes, Upacharika is helper, nurse.
Yes, okay.
Upacharika. Okay, helper.
अहं शिक्षिका अस्मि. आवां शिक्षिके स्वः वयं शिक्षिकाः स्मः. शिक्षिका means teacher.
Yes.
अहं बालिका अस्मि. आवां बालिके स्वः वयं बालिकाः स्मः. Balika is girl child.
Yeah. Next person, Lataji.
अहं नर्तकी अस्मि. आवां नर्तक्यौ स्वः वयं नर्तक्यः स्मः. अहं गृहिणी अस्मि. आवां गृहिण्यौ स्वः वयं गृहिण्यः स्मः. अहं नारी अस्मि आवां नार्यौ स्वः वयं नार्यः स्मः
Okay. I think you know the meaning. Next person.
अहं पुत्री
Next person. Rajaji will do.
ओके
Yeah. Aham putri asmi. Avam putriyau swaha. Vayam putriyah smaha. Aham gayika asmi. Avam gayike swaha. Vayam gayikaha smaha.
Yes. Then, the next one. So this already we are read. With Asmi Smaha, previous lesson, Kriyapadam was not given, but also we read along with that. So, Aham Vaidyaha Asmi, Avam Vaidyo Swaha, Vayam Vaidyaha Smaha. So, you need to read that and skip that. Now, Abhyasa 54. Rajaji, you can do. Continue. All these are simple exercise. You can do in fact on your own. It's just homework. But anyway, any shabdas also I give us homework, but I don't see the result of those homework. That's why we are doing in the class. You do it.
Yeah. So aham balika asmi. Avam balike swaha. Vayam balikaha smaha. Aham chatraha asmi. Avam chatrau swaha. Vayam chatraha smaha.
Okay, here one thing. Aham balika asmi. Asmi is what Purusha? The first sentence I'm just taking.
Uttama Purusha.
Asmi is Uttama Purusha. What Vachanam? Ekavachanam.
Ekavachanam.
So, Asmi, Aham is what Vibhakti, what Vachanam?
Prathama vibhakti ekavachanam.
Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. So, Aham Asmi. And Balika?
Balika is also
Same.
Prathama vibhakti ekavachanam.
Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam.
Strilinga shabda.
Between the Kriya Padam Asmi and Aham. Asmi is Aham Asmi. Saha Asmi is wrong. Tvam Asmi is wrong. Right? And Aham Swaha is wrong. Aham Smaha is wrong. Aham being Ekavachanam. Therefore, Kriya Padam must be Ekavachanam. Aham being Uttama Purusha. Therefore, the Kriya Padam must be corresponding to the Uttama Purusha. So, this is called technically Samanadikaranyam. King Samanadikaranyam. This is a big discussion in Vedanta. There are different types of Samanadikaranyam. This Samanadikaranyam, the knowledge of Samanadikaranyam is very important. In Vedanta itself, it is handled. This Samanadikaranyam, we explain the Mahavakyam. Tat Tvam Asi, Mahavakyam is there. So Asi is Asi Padam, Kriya Padam. Tvam is there, Tat is there, Tvam Pada, Tat Pada. Tvam Tat Asi. So Tvam Asi and you are Tat, that. Tvam is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Tat is Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Asi is denoting the Madhyama Purusha, which is Ekavachanam. Tvam means what? Tvam means you. Tat means that. Between you and that, there's an equation, there's an equality, the sameness, the oneness. The oneness is pointed out by the Asipadam. Tatpadam, Tvam-padam, and Asipadam. Three padams are there. The three padams have the same vachanam, and the Kriya Padam, vachanam of the Kriya Padam matching with the vachanam of what it denotes. That's called ting samanadikaranyam. In Vedanta, we do vichara of this vakya. We do mahavakya vichara and we analyze what is tvam, what is tat. That's called bada samanadikaranyam. That is the context of Vedanta. I'm just telling this samanadikaranyam is a word, important topic, which is used in Vedanta to equate tat is tat and Brahma. Tat and tvam. Tat is Brahma, tvam is you. So that samanadikaranyam is very important. Agam balika swaha is wrong because it is not samanadikaranyam. Right? So aham balika, I am that, I am balika, I the girl am. So aham balika also, avam balika is wrong. Avam balika is meaningless. So samana vibhaktikanam, भिन्न प्रवृत्तीनां समान विभक्तिकानां एकस्मिन् तात्पर्यं सामानाधिकरण्यम. This is the definition of samanadikaranyam. Two words having the same vibhakti, same vibhakti, so they have the tatparyam in conveying the same thing. They don't have different tatparya. They have tatparyam in conveying the same thing. Binna pravrittinam. There are different words. Different words are the binna pravrittinam, but samana vibhaktikanam. Vibhaktis are same. And what is the tatparyam of these two? They have got tatparyam in the same thing. Ekasmin vishaye tatparyaha. That is called samanadi karanyam. So that is why this have to be practiced. Asmi means aham. Avam is swaha. The thing samanadikaran. This abhyasa to be done. Okay. This is a technical thing. But you know, samanadikaranam is important. Samanadikaranam is important. In keeping with the noun, the kriya padam should be used. Vachanam as well as the purusha. That is called samanadikaranam. Okay. Yes. Continue.
Yeah. Aham vaidyah asmi. Avam vaidyau swaha. Vayam vaidyaha smaha. Aham dhirah asmi. Avam dhirau swaha. Vayam dhiraha smaha. Aham nipunaha asmi. Avam nipune. Sorry, Guruji.
Nipuna, not nipunaha. Okay. Aham nipuna asmi. Yeah.
Aham nipuna asmi. Avam nipune swaha. Vayam nipunaha smaha.
Okay, next person. Padmaji.
Aham pradhyapika asmi. Vayam pradhyapike swaha. Avam I said vayam. Oh, sorry. Avam pradhyapike swaha. Vayam pradhyapikaha smaha. Aham grihini asmi. Sorry, oh, that's what I made a mistake. Vayam grihinyaha smaha. Aham chalakaha asmi. Avam chalakau swaha. Vayam chalakaha smaha. Aham sanchodakaha asmi. Avam sanchodakau swaha. Vayam sanchodakaha smaha. Aham adhyapakaha asmi. Avam adhyapakau swaha. Vayam adhyapakaha smaha.
Next person. Rajesh.
Right?
Yeah. Abhyasa 55.
अहं छात्रः अस्मि आवां छात्रौ स्वः
You can read
वयं
like this. Aham chhatrah asmi, aham patami.
अहं छात्रः अस्मि अहं पठामि आवां छात्रौ स्वः आवां पठावः वयं छात्राः स्मः वयं पठामः अहम् अध्यापकः अस्मि अहं पाठयामि आवाम् अध्यापकौ स्वः आवां पाठयावः वयम् अध्यापकाः स्मः वयं पठामः पाठयामः
Next
अहं
person. Yeah, Priyaji.
अहं सस्यः अस्मि अहं नमामि आवां सस्यौ स्वः आवां नमावः वयं सस्याः स्मः वयं नमामः. I have to continue.
Do the next one also.
अहं जनकः अस्मि आवां जनकौ स्वः वयं जनकाः स्मः अहं कथयामि आवां कथयावः वयं कथयामः.
Person. Tamilaji. Read both the sentence together.
जनकः अस्मि. Oh, sorry.
Yeah. Number 5.
अहं जनकः अस्मि.
Not Janakah, number 5.
Oh, sorry. अहं शिष्यः अस्मि.
Number 5. You're not going away.
Okay. अहं सचिवः अस्मि.
Yes.
अहं आदिशामि आवां सचिवौ स्वः अहं sorry आवां आदिशावः अहं सचिवः
It's not so difficult. It is there, the example it is there. Just call. Reading from that.
सचिवावः स्मः.
How can be aham? Bhagavachanam smaha. How can be aham?
Okay, vayam. Sorry, I'm so sorry. Vayam sachivaha smaha. Vayam adishamaha.
This comes only by practice.
Yes, I know. I missed.
Every day you have to practice. It's not only during the class. Then only this familiarity will come. When you say come, then you will end up with saying me. Adishami, Pravishami, Katayami, Patayami, Patami. That should come automatically. That much one has to practice. Avam is there, then Vaha. Pata, Pataya, Svaha, Avam. If it is Vayam, then it is Maha. Patamaha, Patayamaha, Katayamaha, Pravishamaha, Adishamaha. This we have to practice. This is the basic thing to be practiced. Everybody misses this. Then later when they learn, then they think to chant the whole thing. Asti stha, santi, asi stha, asta. Then what will come? You have to think, and then when you think and speak, then it's not language. This has to be practiced.
In fact, I've been struggling for this, Guruji. Even but my
Yes, this has to practice. So every day you practice, it will come. Why in English you don't have problem. You never say I is. You don't say. I always say I am. Are you say? You don't say. Even by mistake you don't say we am. You don't say he am. You say he is. And same thing in Sanskritam also. Why it's difficult here? Practice. Practice only. Yes. Continue the next one. Number 6.
अहं प्राध्यापिका अस्मि.
प्राध्यापिका अस्मि.
ओके, प्राध्यापिका अस्मि. आवां प्राध्यापिके स्वः. वयं प्राध्यापिकाः स्मः. अहं प्रविशामि. आवां प्रविशावः. And vayam pravishamah.
Today is this week or next time you have to read properly.
Yes, Guruji.
Number 56. Girijaji.
Yes, Guruji. Aham dhanikah asmi, aham yachami. Avam dhanikau swaha, avam yachavaha. Vayam dhanikaha smaha, vayam yachamaha. Aham bhaktah asmi, aham archami. Avam bhaktau swaha, avam archaswaha. Vayam
Archami, archavaha.
archavaha. Vayam bhakta smaha. Vayam archamaha. Aham sainikaha asmi. Aham rakshami. Avam sainikau swaha. Avam rakshaswaha.
Rakshavaha, not swaha.
Rakshavaha. Vayam sainikaha smaha. Vayam rakshamaha.
Next person, Manjulaji.
संशोधकः अहं संशोधकः.
Samshodakaha. Samshodaka means Shodhana Kriya, the one who does the Shodhana Kriya, the one who does
Researcher.
research. That's a mean, yeah, research.
प्राध्यात्मिका
Yeah, professor.
Okay.
What is Shodhana, Guruji? Shodhana in Ayurveda is what? Shodhana.
Shodhana is search. So Shodhana, correcting. Shodhana is correcting. That's how another meaning also is there. So correcting. Ayurveda, that is the meaning. Shodhana.
Thank you, Guruji.
Yeah.
Aham lekhika asmi. Avam lekhike smaha. Vayam lekikaha smaha. Aham likhami. Avam likavaha. Vayam likhamaha. Aham adhyapakaha asmi.
Aham patayami.
Yeah, Guruji. Aham likhami, I read. Aham adhyapakaha asmi. Aham patayami. Yeah, Guruji. Aham adhyapakaha asmi. Aham patayami. Aham adhyapakau smaha.
Swaha. Avam adhyapak swaha.
Avam adhyapakau smaha.
Swaha.
Swaha. Vayam adhyapakaha.
Avam patayavaha. Avam adhyapakau swaha. Avam patayavaha.
Avam patayavaha. Vayam adhyapakaha smaha. Avam patayamaha.
Next person, Kausalya. Number 5. 6.
अहं पाचिका अस्मि. आवां पाचिके. ओके. अहं पचामि. आवां पाचिके स्वः. अहं पचावः. वयं पाचिकाः स्मः. वयं पचामः. aham panditah asmi. Avam panditau.
Agam upadishami. Read together.
Okay, Guruji. Aham panditah asmi. Aham upadishami. Avam panditau swaha. Aham upadishavaha. Vayam panditaha smaha. Aham upadishamaha. Aham janini.
Okay, next person. Krishnaji. Yeah.
Aham janani asmi. Avam.
Aham palaya. Always read one. We have seen how to read this. The same format you follow, all of you. Aham janani.
Okay.
Aham palayami.
Okay. Aham janani asmi. Aham palayami. Avam. Janan.
Then you have to chant Nadi Shabda and then find out what is
Nadyau. Jananyau.
That should come immediately. Okay. It's not get stuck. Agam janani asmi avam jananyau swaha. That much abhyasa required. Right.
Avam jananyau swaha. Avam palayavaha. Vayam jananyaha.
Jananyaha.
Smaha.
Not jananyaha. Jananyaha.
Jananyaha smaha. Vayam palayamaha.
The Shabda, asking to memorize Shabda not for the sake of memorizing. It is to be applied here. When Avam comes, then Janani is Ikaranta. Jananyau. That should come immediately. Jananyau. Vayam is Jananyaha. Nadi Shabdavat. So, you should be able to connect with Nadi immediately and bring to your mind what is Dvivachanam and Bhagavachanam. This is only Prathama we are dealing with. What about other Vibhaktis? Other Vibhaktis starting from second onwards up to Saptami, Bhagavachanam it is there. So, when you have to speak a sentence, a long sentence involving other Vibhaktis, then how much practice required you can imagine. For that, this is a base. Yeah.
Okay.
That is why I'm asking you to memorize the Shabda and apply that. Application of it also important. Memorization and application. Why memorization? Because it is easy. I mean, it is for you to, otherwise, if you don't have that readily available with you, every time you have to refer to Shabda Manjari. That's not a good thing. Yes, please do.
Aham divaraha asmi. Aham tarami. Avam divarau swaha. Avam taravaha. Vayam divaraha smaha. Vayam taramaha.
Yes. All of you, please practice the same exercise again. Again, the same exercise. Whatever we have done, you practice it again, because it will help you. Practicing already what you have learned, it will help you in making what you have learned very strong. That understanding become very strong. You will not do mistakes. Then only we can move forward. Keep practicing what has been taught already. That familiarity is required. So the Kriya Padam and the Purusha, what Vachanam may use, that connection should come automatically. So Saha, when you say it as Asti only, even in dream it should be Asti only. In dream, you don't have problem in dream. Even in dream, when you say I, the am is there. Always am is there. Even by mistake, you will never say I is. Like that it has to become. That much practice abhyasa. So it's everyday's abhyasa. Okay. So please do it.
Guruji, what is Dhivaraha? What is Dhivaraha?
Dhivaraha is fisherman. Dhivaraha fisherman. Tarami. Tarami, he crosses or he swims. Agam Dhivaraha asmi. I'm a fisherman. I swim. I cross. Okay. Okay, I think we can stop here. This page number will start. We'll do this next class. 117. Om Yum. So aham we have done. Then so and Shabda, please. Asmat Shabda, Ishmat Shabda, very important Shabda. You keep chanting it every day. We will do it in the class also for some classes. Important, very important Shabda. Asmat and Ishmat. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnamad Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
धन्यवाद गुरुजी
धन्यवाद गुरुजी
शरण जी
धन्यवाद गुरुजी
धन्यवादः गुरुजी
धन्यवाद
धन्यवादः गुरुजी
Thank you, Guruji.